Now, Charlie, it wasn't all work and no play.
Oh, no, not quite. There was plenty of things going on, but there were simple things. Ordinary folk they were easy contented. There were plenty of killing through the houses.
Now, that's it's funny because the Irish killie is a different beast altogether. The Ulster-Scots killie is a chat.
That's a neighbourly chat.
Yes.
Another cup of tea, aye. But no, there was, well, our place sort of run to them other kind of killies. A lot of old boys landed with a whin of bottles of stout, and, well, there was always somebody who could say a poem or sing a song.
Yes.
However poorly, but they sung it anyway. And there was always what we would have called a French fiddle or something.
A harmonica.
Harmonica.
Yes.
Mouth organ. But somebody went, away down into the bottom of my pocket. Out come that thing out for a man, calf and nails and steeples. You know the idea. And he gave her a blow or two. And they were all reasonably good players, like, but just the instrument wasn't kept in ideal conditions.
Now, as well as the killian, people would have said he's never hoosed.
Never hoosed.
He's out killian.
Aye, and plenty of wee country dances.
Oh, there are a lot of dances.
Oh, there were, surely. That was a big thing, maybe 2 a week. And I mean, you weren't coming home for them at 11 or anything. They went on to maybe 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning.
Well.
And that was a man coming home for that and gone for a hard day's physical work after that.
Yes.
But you know, that's the thing about it, was everybody could dance a bit.
Well, speak for yourself.
I tell you, I wasn't even working on a stick. But no, even my dad and them old boys, they knew all them old lancers and 4-hand reels and stuff.
I would suggest, Charlie, that there might have been a wee bit of after activity, less to do with dancing, more to do with curtains.
Indeed, aye. That's where a heap of it started. But no, if you take that out of building, quarry, farm life, there weren't much association with the opposite gender. No. And when you got to a dance and was, getting a bit of that there, you weren't going to waste it. You said, are you sure you'll be safe enough going home? For I didn't mind walking home,
Charlie, I mean, it's just on the edge of my memory. And I don't mind ever seeing it, but I heard people talking about it. Throwing horseshoes.
Oh, haven't I? Aye, that was very important. That was another of them things, the equipment and 2 iron pegs. There were no big coats. The equipment then was genuine Clydesdale shoes. They're made new for the purpose, like.
But back then, there were shoes that weren't fit for the horse anymore.
They were legitimate shoes, aye.
You'd have played darts in the house too.
Oh, played darts in the house. The wife, folks' house was, the house all the local boys come to play darts at. And, it was every night. Bob made the flights out of a wee bit of paper and stuff. It wasn't them £100 of gold darts that you get now. If you had a set of darts that had done your lifetime, Bob was trying to make flights in the Thames and stuff. But the biggest crack of all was the wife's granda, Andy. He wasn't that interested, but he wanted the light of the lamp to read.
And that would have been a telly lamp.
Oh, it was a telly swinging for a beam. But Andy got in where the light was, and he unstuck in there in the brew. And for that on, Andy took another course of action. There were an old Tommy helmet, an old war helmet belonging to somebody lying about Bob's house. Andy got around to see, throw away, boys.
Sort of armour plated.
Armour plated.